everyone. Welcome back to Money Mania, the place where we explore exciting opportunities and trends. Today we have got a special topic that many of you have been asking about: the 5 best ways to make money online in 2024. If you are looking to boost your income or even replace your traditional job, you are in the right place. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on our valuable content. Now let's get started. Our first method is freelancing. With the rise of remote work, freelancing has become more accessible than ever. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer allow you to showcase your skills and connect with the clients worldwide. Whether you are a graphic designer, a writer, a programmer, or even a virtual assistant, there's a demand for your talents. Remember to create a compelling profile, highlight your expertise, and deliver exceptional work to build a solid reputation. Next up, we have affiliate marketing. This method involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale made through your unique affiliate link. Choose products relevant to your niche, create engaging content, and share your affiliate links strategically. Social media, blogs, and YouTube are excellent platforms to leverage for this. Keep in mind the importance of building trust with your audience, and you will see those commissions rolling in. Now let's talk about a booming industry: online courses. If you possess expertise in a specific field, creating and selling online courses can be a lucrative venture. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare provide an opportunity to share your knowledge with a global audience. Develop high-quality content, offer value, and market your courses effectively. As the demand for online learning continues to rise, so do the possibilities for your income. Our fourth method involves the world of e-commerce and dropshipping. Setting up an online store has never been easier, and thanks to platforms like Shopify and WooCommerce, identify trending products, establish partnerships with reliable suppliers, and create a seamless shopping experience for your customers. Remember to focus on marketing and customer service to build a loyal customer base. The potential for profit in the e-commerce space is vast and continues to grow. Last but certainly not the least, let's delve into the world of cryptocurrency and investing. Cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin and Ethereum have gained widespread attention, presenting opportunities for investors. Research the market, stay informed about trends, and consider long-term investment strategies. Additionally, explore platforms that allow you to earn passive income through staking or yield farming. Keep in mind the risk involved and invest only what you can afford to lose. And there you have it, the 5 best ways to make money online in 2020. Whether you choose freelancing, affiliate marketing, online courses, e-commerce or dropshipping, or cryptocurrency, remember that success requires dedication, persistence, and continuous learning. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, stay tuned for more exciting content on Money Mania.